Welcome to IT Behind Mask.
Types of logs. Track user login and logout activities. Example, user login success and failure logs. Record actions taken by privileged administrators. Example, user roles or permissions login changes. Monitor system-level events and errors. Example, critical system errors and events. Capture application-specific events and errors. Example, user interactions within an application. Track network activities and detect unusual patterns. Example, network traffic threats. Provide information on allowed and denied network traffic. Example, recording incoming/outgoing connections. Monitor database transaction and identify potential issues. Example, logging SQL queries, changes to database. Record security-related events for analysis and response. Example, intrusion detection alerts, antivirus scans. Keep a record of all significant events for compliance and accountability. Example, login user action, system changes.